How to fix NVIDIA overlay not showing FPS. So the first thing you can go ahead and do is search for NVIDIA itself. So in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and search for NVIDIA or our GeForce experience. So once we're here, just go ahead into your settings, go directly here into your overlay and make sure this is toggled on. Once you have done this, you can go ahead and do the next method, which is to just go into services. So just go ahead and do a search again, go to services, and once you're there, you're gonna have to scroll down into the NVIDIA section. So go to the N, since it's alphabetically ordered. Go to the NVIDIA Frame View SD Keys service. Just go ahead and right click on that, go to properties, and make sure the startup type is on automatic. And if the service status is at stopped, make sure you go ahead and press on start. So Windows will tend to turn it on and whatnot, so just go ahead and press on apply and press on OK. You can just go ahead and minimize all of this, but those are a few things you can go ahead and try to potentially help you with this problem. Make sure you restart your PC once you do this. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.